This is the Sony CyberShot RX100 6. It features a 20 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor with on-sensor phase detection and can shoot 4K from its full sensor width. It features a 24 to 200mm equivalent zoom with an f2.8-f4.5 maximum aperture. It can shoot continuously at up to 24 frames per second, even with autofocus. The RX100 6 gains a touchscreen, which flips up by 180 degrees for selfies or down by 90 degrees for overhead shooting. There's a built-in flash, which can be bounced if you prefer. The big news though is that lens. It's wider than the one in the original RX100 and brighter at the long end, despite offering twice as much zoom. Yet the camera itself isn't appreciably larger. For more information about the RX100 6, head to dpreview.com.